Feeling sharp pains or swelling in your joints? Well, your uric acid might be out of control. Consuming the wrong foods can make your condition worse and limit how much you can move. However, managing uric acid levels doesn't have to be complicated. There are already a variety of foods available to put an end to your discomfort. In today's video, we're going to break down the 10 foods to stop high uric acid so you can move freely without those painful flare-ups. We'll also give you tips on how to add these foods easily to your diet. So if you're ready to get moving, let's dive in, starting with number 10, cherries. Cherries, especially tart cherries, have been gaining attention for reducing uric acid levels. These ruby red gems are packed with anthocyanins. This gives cherries their vibrant color and powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that these compounds can help lower uric acid levels in the body, potentially reducing the risk of gout attacks. When you consume cherries or cherry juice, the anthocyanins help to inhibit an enzyme called xanthine oxidase. By slowing down this enzyme's activity, cherries can help reduce the amount of uric acid in your system. Additionally, cherries have been found to increase the excretion of uric acid through urine. This dual action of cherries makes them a potent ally in managing uric acid levels naturally. A handful of fresh cherries as a snack or added to your morning cereal can be a delicious way to reap their benefits. If fresh cherries aren't available, don't worry. Frozen cherries can be just as effective and are often more convenient. Next up at number 9 is leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent choices for lowering uric acid levels. These vegetables are known for their alkalizing effect. This means they can help neutralize excess acid in your system, including uric acid. Beyond its alkalizing effects, leafy greens are also rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that has been shown to support uric acid excretion. A study in the journal Nutrients has found that people with higher vitamin C intake tend to have lower uric acid levels. Moreover, the high water content in leafy greens helps flush out toxins and excess uric acid from your system. It's like giving your body a natural cleanse with every serving. Easily incorporate leafy greens into your diet by adding a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie or eating a big salad with mixed greens, kale, and Swiss chard. Coming in at number 8 are berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are true superheroes in uric acid level management. These colorful fruits are packed with antioxidants such as flavonoids and anthocyanins. Not only do they play an important role in reducing inflammation, but they also support kidney function. These compounds also help to neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. Free radicals are substances that cause inflammation and oxidative stress. By reducing inflammation, berries can help ease the symptoms of high uric acid levels, such as joint pain and swelling. They also support your kidneys by removing excess uric acid from your blood. Studies show that consuming foods high in fiber, such as strawberries, reduces uric acid levels and inflammation in the body. Add mixed berries when you're enjoying a bowl of oatmeal, yogurt, or whole grain cereal. It can give you a delicious and nutritious start to your day. Snacking on berries is another great option, so keep a bowl of fresh berries in your fridge. Next up at number 7 is low-fat dairy products. Low-fat dairy contains proteins called caseins and lactalbumin, which increase uric acid secretion. These can lower levels of uric acid in the blood through urine excretion. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that men who consumed more dairy products had a lower risk of gout. Additionally, the calcium found in dairy products reduces gout flares. However, it is important to be careful when buying dairy products. Always look for the labels low-fat or non-fat when purchasing. Wondering how to incorporate low-fat dairy into your routine? Start your day with a bowl of low-fat yogurt topped with some of the berries we discussed earlier. For a refreshing snack, try a glass of low-fat milk or a small serving of cottage cheese. If you're lactose intolerant, don't worry. Lactose-free milk and yogurt options are widely available and can provide the same benefits. At number 6, we have whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread contain fiber, a nutrient that can lower your uric acid level. Eating fiber-rich whole grains slows down the absorption of purines in your gut. Purines are compounds that break down into uric acid in your body. Slowing their absorption gives your body more time to eliminate uric acid, lowering the risk of buildup in your bloodstream. Fiber is also important for your gut health. It aids in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Recent studies have suggested that a balanced gut microbiome metabolizes uric acid. This may indirectly support uric acid level management. They're also rich in complex carbohydrates, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels. This is important because rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar can also affect uric acid levels. Add fiber to your diet by eating a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries for breakfast. You may also swap your white bread sandwich for one made with whole grain bread to boost your fiber intake. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5 are avocados. Avocados are packed with antioxidants like vitamins E and C. These vitamins help keep free radicals levels in check. Studies show that consuming avocados led to a decrease in serum urate concentrations. Lowering urate levels is an important step toward better gout management and joint pain relief. Avocados are also rich in polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, which helps to improve insulin sensitivity. Good insulin sensitivity means sugar spikes won't be a factor in high uric acid levels. Moreover, avocados are a good source of fiber. Just like whole grains, it can aid in the excretion of uric acid through the digestive system. Incorporating avocados into your diet is versatile and easy. They can be added to salads, sandwiches, or mashed on toast for a healthy snack. You can also blend them into smoothies or use them as a substitute for less healthy fats in cooking. Coming in at number 4 is green tea. Green tea is a staple in many cultures and is known for its many health benefits. The secret to this tea is a compound called catechins. Catechins can help reduce the absorption of uric acid in the gut and remove it through urine. One of the most potent catechins found in green tea is epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. A study from the journal Annals of Palliative Medicine found that EGCG can inhibit xanthine oxidase, which is usually responsible for uric acid production. Moreover, green tea's anti-inflammatory properties are beneficial, particularly for people suffering from joint swelling and gout. Aim to enjoy 3 to 4 cups of green tea each day. Start your day with a warm cup of green tea instead of coffee, or enjoy it as a refreshing iced beverage in the afternoon. If plain green tea doesn't appeal to you, there are numerous ways to make it more enjoyable. Try adding a slice of lemon or a touch of honey to enhance the flavor. Next at number 3 are beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are excellent sources of folate or vitamin B9. This B vitamin helps reduce uric acid levels by promoting its excretion. It also helps with balancing the microbiome present in your gut. Studies have found that people who consume more plant-based proteins tend to have lower uric acid levels. Plants have purines too, but they don't increase uric acid levels like animal-based purines do. Moreover, the high fiber content in beans and legumes can help support kidney function and filtration. If your kidneys can filter your blood effectively, uric acid can easily be removed from your body. For a simple start, try adding a serving of black beans or kidney beans to your salads to get the extra boost of vitamin B9. You may also add lentils to soups and stews, or use them as a base for vegetarian patties. Red lentils, in particular, break down quickly when cooked, so it's a perfect ingredient for thickening soups or creating creamy dips. Coming in at number 2 is olive oil. Olive oil has long been used for its heart-healthy properties, but did you know that they also play a role in managing uric acid levels? The key components to olive oil's uric acid-lowering ability are the monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These can reduce inflammation in the joints, which can help with the symptoms of high uric acid, such as gout. Studies found that olive oil can help reduce uric acid absorption by lowering its levels in the bloodstream. It also helps avoid the buildup of acid in the kidneys. Additionally, this oil has polyphenols that are responsible for the kidney's filtering action. Start including olive oil in your diet by using this to sauté vegetables or prepare salad dressings. You can also drizzle a small amount over cooked dishes for added flavor and benefits. For maximum health benefits, choose extra virgin olive oil. This type of olive oil is the least processed and retains more of the beneficial compounds found in olives. At the top of our list is tofu. Tofu, also known as bean curd, is a versatile and nutritious food made from soybeans. Tofu is rich in plant-based proteins and isoflavones, which have been found to positively affect uric acid levels. A study from the journal Frontiers in Nutrition found that soy proteins can help reduce uric acid production in the body. This can lower the risk of gout attacks and other uric acid-related issues. Moreover, tofu is naturally low in purines. By choosing tofu, you're reducing the workload on your body in producing uric acid. It's a simple yet effective strategy for maintaining healthy uric acid levels. Include this in your diet by aiming for 2 to 3 servings of tofu per week as part of a balanced diet. One simple way to enjoy tofu is to cube it and add it to your favorite stir-fry recipe. For a tasty protein option, try marinating tofu slices in your favorite herbs and spices before grilling or baking them. For the best results, it should be combined with other dietary changes and lifestyle modifications. And there we have it, the 10 foods to stop high uric acid. Each food offers unique benefits, so start by making these dietary changes gradually. Simple adjustments to your diet can help lower uric acid levels without disrupting your routine. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these foods to lower your uric acid levels? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. And if this video has helped you, please consider sending us a super thanks. It's a great way to support our channel. Also, please don't forget to check out our merchandise for some cool stuff. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.